To open Binance Google Authenticator, start by downloading and installing the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. This app is available for both Android and iOS devices and can be found in the respective app stores. Once the app is installed, open it and tap on the plus icon to begin the setup process. Next, go to the Binance website and log into your account. Navigate to the account settings and click on the Security tab. In this tab, you will find the option to enable two-factor authentication using the Google Authenticator app. Click on this option and a QR code will be displayed on the screen. Now, go back to the Google Authenticator app and tap on the Scan QR code option. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on the Binance website and the app will automatically scan and configure the authenticator. Alternatively, you can also manually enter the secret key displayed below the QR code. After configuring the authenticator, the Google Authenticator app will start generating a 6-digit code that changes every 30 seconds. This code is required to log in to your Binance account, along with your username and password. To log in, enter your username and password as usual, and then enter the 6-digit code generated by the Google Authenticator app. It is essential to note that the Google Authenticator app does not require an internet connection to generate the authentication code, making it a secure and reliable method for two-factor authentication. However, if you lose your device or the app is uninstalled, you will need to disable and re-enable the two-factor authentication on your Binance account to regain access. In conclusion, opening Binance Google Authenticator is a straightforward process that requires downloading and configuring the Google Authenticator app, enabling two-factor authentication on your Binance account, and using the app to generate the required authentication code. By following these steps and best practices, you can add an extra layer of security to your Binance account and protect your assets from unauthorized access.